Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to work in our workbook. So if you have your workbook, you can follow along with me. If you do not have your workbook, then you can just follow along as I go over syllables and plural nouns with you. So today we are working on page 198 in our workbook, and we're looking at lesson 75. The first thing we're going to go over is syllables. We've been working on syllables all throughout kindergarten, and a syllable is parts of a word, or we like to say it's the beat of a word. So to find the number of syllables in a word, we can do a couple of things. We can put our hands out, we can snap our fingers, we can tap the table or clap our hands, and we can also put our hand under our chin to feel how many times our mouth opens when we say a word. So let's go ahead and say these words that we see pictured here and circle the number of syllables. The first word I see is sunflower. So let's go ahead and tap our hands on our desk or our table as we say the word sunflower. Sunflower. How many times did I tap? Good. Sunflower. 3 times. So I'm going to circle the number 3. Let's look at the frog. Let's tap our finger and count how many times we tap. Frog. Excellent. Just one syllable for frog. Let's look at this word. This is a big word. Pumpkin. How many times? 2. Excellent. So I'm going to circle the 2. Let's look at this one. Fish. Just one syllable. One part. Butterfly. Butterfly. How many syllables in butterfly? Excellent. I'm going to circle the 3. Rainbow. Good job. 2. Awesome. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the next page in our workbook, and we're going to talk about plural nouns. A plural noun is when you have more than one of something. So I am going to add an S or a Z at the end of the noun to make it plural. So let's look at this first one. I don't have one clown. I have 2 clowns. So I'm going to add an S. I don't have one cow. I have 2 cows. Now we know that this makes a Z, right? So sometimes it sounds like a Z, but I add an S for a plural. I don't have one bell. I have 3 bells. Ooh, yummy. I don't have one cake. I have 4 cakes. I don't have one star. I have many stars. I don't have one ball. I have many balls. So I add an S to the end to make it plural. On the next page is a sentence that you can write. Again, remember to have a capital at the beginning, finger spaces between, and a period at the end. The only letter that should be capital is the first letter in your sentence, and you should read your sentence while you write it. All 3 help mix the dough. I see some phonograms. Do you? Great job learning with me today. I hope you have a great day.